All right, Gary, we're gonna take another cruise in another Mercedes-Benz.
Wow, it's like deja vu.
I know, we got a silver one of these. But this one's kind of special a little bit. Not that it's worth anything more, but we bought this car for a TV show called Why Women Kill with Lucy Liu. This was Lucy Liu's car. Ooh. CBS used this car in the series, and they took good care of it, thank goodness.
Yep.
This one only has 73,000 miles on it. It's black on black, which is kind of nice. You don't see a whole lot of black on black ones. Two tops, you know, same engine as that other one we got, 4.5 liter V8.
Yep, rides the same almost, same thing. Again,
these early, or late 70s, I should say, Mercedes-Benz are just, they're nice, you know? They're classy, they're stylish, they're not a bunch of money. And I think they're kind of the sleeping giant right now, because if this was a 280 SL, like a few years older, they're $75,000, $80,000 now.
Oh yeah.
These things are still in the teens, so you know, could be a good investment. You never know. I've been wrong before.
Yep. Yeah, it doesn't have the Becker though. It's got this upgrade.
Oh yeah, it's a little Alpine cassette player.
Upgraded with a cassette.
It's still 25 years old.
Anybody got any cassettes?
Maybe that radio's worth something.
Oh. Here comes a boatload of people.
Yep. Like I said, the dash is nice. This has a couple speakers in the back area, the storage area. Two tops.
Yep.
This one's got the silver alloys on there with some brand new tires. We may have an extra set of upgraded wheels for this car. I think that's what was on it when I bought it. You know, you can take your pick when you look at them. But not bad.
Here we go. Now they pull about the same.
Yep. Smooth runner.
Oh yeah.
They're pretty good on gas and stuff too. Not too bad. You got to run super in them though. Yep. It's a Mercedes.
Oh yeah. I expect super in me.
Exactly. But they handle, you know, decent too for a car from the 70s. You know, four-wheel disc brakes, independent rear suspension, kind of like a Corvette has.
Yep.
So.
Yep. No, they're made for that Autobahn stuff.
Absolutely. All right, we're gonna roll up here to our picture spot, and we'll show you the outside of this one.
Here you go.
All right, here's a really nice little 1979 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL. This is black on black, which is great. You don't see a lot of those either. This one's only got 73,000 miles. Usually they got a couple 100,000 miles on them by now because they're 40 plus years old. But this one's really nice. Actually, we bought this for a TV series called Why Women Kill. This was Lucy Liu, the actress's car on the show. They took really good care of it, which was nice. You know, wasn't jumped or used in any stunts. But really nice overall condition. It's got some brand new, you know, refinished wheels on there with some brand new tires on it. The black paint's nice and shiny and smooth. Looks good. Two tops, hard top, soft top. Good for all types of weather. I'll show you the interior in this one. Again, it's got black interior. Black on black is always nice. I don't know, maybe it's an LA thing, but I don't know. I think they look classy. The dash is in nice condition. You know, really accents the wood. Looks nice. Headrest seats. Little package area back there. Nice and solid. These are great cars just to have some fun with, and they're not a bunch of money. So if you want to toy in the garage, take to the golf course, or cruise along the beach, it's a perfect car. Here's the power plant in the 79 450 SL. Again, 4.5 liter V8, automatic transmission. These things have four-wheel power disc brakes, power rack and pinion steering. You have timing chains, so you don't have to worry about timing belts or anything like that. Nice cooling system with electric fans, all from the factory. These engines were used in all types of, you know, commercial vehicles actually, so it shows you how reliable they are. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Let's try that again. There we go. Second time's a charm. Anyhow, you know, fuel injected 4.5 liter V8, pretty indestructible. Good little motors. Actually, the whole drivetrain is good in these. Independent rear suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. Real comfortable and plenty of power. Motor sounds nice. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place. We're in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary that's hot rodding the car in there. And I'd be happy to show you the vehicle. Thanks for watching.